The noun Nikko is used when you open the curtains in the morning or when you dry laundry outside. Nikko、朝にカーテンを開けるときや洗濯物を外に干すときによく使います。Nikko means the bright light that comes from the sun. It lights things and gives warmth. It can also be the place name Nikko in 栃木。お日様から来る明るい光のこと。外を照らして暖かさもあります。また地名として栃木県の町の名前を指すこともあります。The first kanji means sun or day. It often marks time and daytime ideas. Think of Nihon and Nikko. Picture the round sun in the sky. The second kanji means light or to shine. It appears in words about brightness and seeing places. Think of hikaru and kanko. Imagine a beam lighting things up. The sunlight feels good in the morning. 朝は日光が気持ちいいです。朝は日光が気持ちいいです。Open the curtains and let in the sunlight. カーテンを開けて日光を入れます。カーテンを開けて日光を入れます。Hang your laundry out in the sun on the balcony. ベランダで洗濯物を日光に当てます。ベランダで洗濯物を日光に当てます。Children play in the sunshine. 子供は日光を浴びて遊びます。子供は日光を浴びて遊びます。The most common synonyms of the word are 日差し and 太陽光。日差し focuses on direct rays and how strong they feel. 太陽光 is more technical or scientific, used in energy or weather contexts. Nikko is the general everyday word. The most common antonym of the word is hitage, which means a shaded place where the sun does not reach. It contrasts with Nikko, which is bright and warm.